Zucchini. It grows faster than your in-laws' opinions and produces enough squash to supply a farmer's market and your neighbor's dog. But here's the tea. If your zucchini is getting bullied by bugs or flopping like a bad blind date, it's probably hanging with the wrong crowd. Today we're diving into the best and worst companion plants for zucchini. Don't leave your garden's fate to chaos. Use the AI Gardening app at strongecho.com. It's like a dating app for your plants, but without the ghosting. Get any questions answered instantly. You can grow it. Chapter 1. So, what is companion planting? It's not a gardening cult, promise. Companion planting is the ancient art of matchmaking plants that help each other out. It's like finding your zucchini a bestie who's good with bugs, knows how to fertilize, and doesn't steal the spotlight. Some bring the bees. Some feed the soil. Some repel bugs like garlic repels vampires and dates. If you've ever looked at your garden and thought, why are you all just existing? This is your answer. Chapter 2. Why zucchini really needs friends. Zucchini is that kid in class who finishes the test in 3 minutes and gets a weird rash from being outside too long. They're productive, but needy. Too much water? Powdery mildew. Too little water? Sulks like a houseplant in a frat house. Too many pests? Game over. So the right companions, block pests, boost pollination, improve soil, and make you look like a garden genius on Instagram. Zucchini alone is just squash. Zucchini with friends? It's a legacy. Chapter 3. The Dream Team. Best companion plants for zucchini. 1. Nasturtiums, the decoy drama queens. Why? These spicy little flowers are like the flamboyant friend who volunteers as tribute in a horror movie. They lure pests away from your zucchini like, hey aphids, I'm over here and wearing florals. How? Plant nasturtiums around the edge of your zucchini bed. They trail dramatically, so give them room to spill. Bonus, edible, fashion and function. 2. Radishes, the fast and furious soil hackers. Why? Radishes are like garden ninjas. They grow in 25 days, punch holes in your soil, and peace out before zucchini even notices. Also, squash borers hate their spicy vibes. How? Toss seeds in with your zucchini seedlings. Don't overthink spacing. Radishes don't live long enough to complain. Keep replanting every few weeks for non-stop pest protection. 3. Beans, nature's fertilizer dealers. Why? Beans are the chill friend who just shows up, improves the vibe, and brings snacks, aka nitrogen. Zucchini slurps up nitrogen like iced coffee during summer. How? Bush beans. Plant 12 to 18 inches away. Pole beans. Grow them up so zucchini can sprawl out like the diva it is. Pro tip, don't overfeed the soil. Beans got this. 4. Borage, the bee whisperer. Why? Borage is like the guy with an acoustic guitar who actually knows how to play. It brings bees to your garden concert and keeps pests like hornworms away. Plus, those blue starry flowers, instant garden clout. How? Plant 12 to 18 inches from your zucchini. Let it bloom, baby. Warning, borage is a little extra. Give it room to be itself. 5. Corn, the chill big brother. Why? Corn is tall, zucchini is wide. Together, they're garden architecture. Corn provides dappled shade and structure. Zucchini keeps weeds in check with its leafy sprawl. And beans? They bring the snacks. It's the three sisters, the OG plant squad. How? Plant corn first, give it a head start. Then tuck zucchini in around the base. Just don't let it turn into a jungle. Corn is not a lifeguard. Chapter 4. The Hot Messes. Worst companion plants for zucchini. 1. Potatoes. The energy vampires. Why not? Zucchini and potatoes both eat like teenage athletes. Put them together and your soil gets drained faster than your phone battery in a group chat. Also, pests. All the pests. Avoid, just don't. Different corners of the yard, different energy levels. 2. Pumpkins, the clingy cousins. Why not? Both are sprawling, dramatic, and take up space like it's free real estate. You'll end up with vine-on-vine crime and bees confused about whose flower is whose. Avoid. Pick one diva per bed. Zucchini gets this season. Pumpkin can have Halloween. 3. Cucumbers, the toxic twins. Why not? They attract the same diseases, the same bugs, and have the same exact needs. It's like dating someone who has your exact personality. Fun for 3 days, and then you're both sick. Avoid. Put them in separate raised beds, or at least send cucumbers to therapy. 4. Fennel, the herbal assassin. Why not? Fennel is that mysterious loner who sabotages everything in a 5-foot radius. It releases allelopathic chemicals that scream, "I work alone." Avoid. Grow fennel in a pot, on the porch, with a warning sign. Chapter 5. Companion planting mistakes you don't want to make. Mistake number 1. Overcrowding. If your plants can't breathe, they'll catch mildew faster than you catch feelings during cuffing season. Mistake number 2. Planting. Based on vibes, not science. Just because marigolds are cute doesn't mean your zucchini wants to hang with them. Mistake number 3. Forgetting plant families. Too many cucurbits equals pest buffet. Rotate and diversify like your 401k depends on it. Mistake number 4. Thinking all herbs help. Fennel would like a word. So would mint. Who will take over your garden like it's building an empire? Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.stronggecko.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.